ಶಶಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಣವು ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನೈಗೆ ಬಂದು ತಲುಪಿದೆ. ಈ ಹಣವು ಕಪ್ಪು ಹಣವಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಳೆಯಲು ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾನು. ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮನಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
Loan transactions, what they do is they collect money from innocent people, saying that we'll give you
For
loan.
the respondent.
And for the respondent. I mean, there is a series of transactions not conducted not for one person, multiple, about 15 odd people.
Vaibhav
They say
yarige?
we will give you loan at a less rate of interest.
You are appearing for Vaibhav, is it?
But I am appearing for 61.8.
8.
61.8.
For the complainant.
Complainant.
Interim order ಇದೆ already?
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ interim order ಇದೆ.
Don't tell me I have granted them.
Investigation stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Because what has happened is these few people, multiple transactions this nature.
I appear for the respondent number 2 in 61.3.
Complainant ಗೆ.
Complainant. Modus operandi in all the cases is the same. In one of the allegations, one of the cases, my lords, the accused would say money is coming from a different country, it has come to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka ಇಂದ ಚೆನ್ನೈಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮನಿ.
ಏನ್ನ?
That is the allegation, my lords, in the charge sheet.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮನಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 20 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. That is the charge sheet.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮನಿನ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್. My lord, it is a statement, it is.
Where is it? And interim order is operating in this case?
But this charge sheet.
We had produced along with our objections, but if not to take my petition.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು ಯಾವ
My lord,
petition?
may I just pass on this charge sheet, my lord, if your lordships may permit.
61.8.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಷಾ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
864.
ಕರಿಯಪ್ಪ ಅವರೇ ತಾನೆ?
12864.
May I just pass on this charge sheet.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Page number 220.
Objections ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾರಾ?
Please.
Office objections, quae, non-furnishing of PF shall stand deleted from the cause list.
My lord, page 220, second paragraph.
ಶಶಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಣವು ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನೈಗೆ ಬಂದು ತಲುಪಿದೆ. ಈ ಹಣವು ಕಪ್ಪು ಹಣವಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಳೆಯಲು
ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಂತೆ, ಆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ 20 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಸ್ಟಾಂಪ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮನಿ is taken, then there is no money, nothing.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮನಿ ತೊಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ there's an interim order, sir. Coordinate bench has granted an interim order.
After which we had requested the court that matter be taken up. Then they said they want some more time. They kept on taking time.
Heard the learned counsel appearing for the complainants in all these cases. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. The vacating stay applications are preferred. Hakidira ilva?
Hakidi.
In most of the cases. Kariyappa, where are you? I'll vacate the interim order now.
May pass on.
Black money ತೊಳೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತರಕ್ ಹೋದೆ?
No, it's not that case, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
May pass
Yes.
on.
List the matter as a last chance on 5th in admission. In the event admission along with the application for vacating stay. In the event no submissions would be made, the interim order would stand automatically vacated.
Great.
ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾನು. ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮನಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
We'll submit our submission.
Because interestingly, in all cases, my lords, the modus is the same. And my lords, when money is sought for, they would say, go and file a civil suit. We have taken money, go file a civil suit. How could this be a criminal complaint?
And in different places, what they do is not one place. Different parts of the state and Maharashtra, Goa, everywhere.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. And main accused not are the same. There is one Mr. Roshan, then there is one Chandrasekhar, then Roshan's wife. All these people not together.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
No,
On 5th.
on 5th May.
Yes. Finally, our time ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಕರಿಯಪ್ಪ.
We are ready.
Admission
Yes,
lacks.
Yes, my lord.
Great.
One lord. Offense of Excise Act. But the
Enter
recovery of
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
blood
ಪ್ರದೀಪ್.
3 liters.
Enter ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್.
Really problem.
Vodka?
3 liters.
ವೋಡ್ಕಾ.
Vodka.
3 ಲೀಟರ್ ವೋಡ್ಕಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಯೂಸ್.
ಅದು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್
4 liter
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ
ಕುಡಿತೀರಾ?
ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಮಿನಿ ಬಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀಸ್ಡ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್? ಅದು IMF ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್?
Indian. Indian manufacturer. They have taken from Goa ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Goa,
ಗೋವಾದಿಂದ.
Goa gone, yes.
3 liters perhaps.
3 liters vodka. Wait ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಪರ್ಮಿಸಬಲ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದು?
Permissible page number 34
ಇದೇನ್ ಕವರ್ಡಾ?
covered ಇದೆ.
We'll follow this and close it. The petitioner is before this court calling in question proceedings in CC 332 of ಅಷ್ಟಾಳೆದ ಇದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ crime ಇದು.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
Immediately FIR my lord, I am before this court.
Registration of a crime in crime number 17 of 2025, registered for offences punishable under so and so. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the issue revolves around the seizure of 3 liters of orange flavor and lemon flavor vodka in the vehicle, which was printed for sale in Goa state only. And the vehicle being intercepted and caught has led these petitioners into the web of crime. The learned counsel submits in identical circumstances the coordinate bench of this court.
My lord, page number 20.
Court bench of this court has held as follows. Court mani full. In the light of the issue being identical, I deem it appropriate to follow the order passed by the coordinate bench and watch the proceedings qua the petitioner. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಬ್ರೆ.
Why the petitioners? ಒಬ್ರು ಆರೆಂಜ್, ಒಬ್ರು ಲೆಮನ್. Yes. Right.
Grateful.